Tell him to cut the cats off too. Alright, y'all boys, we is in traffic. Got a scat in front of me, cat behind me, and another scat back there. But we were on the way to the muffler shop. Boy, Kyrie finna get his goddamn, I think he finna get the resonators cut off his cat. So we finna just pull up with his ass, cause we know that shit finna be barking. So we just pulling up with his ass to the goddamn muffler shop. Y'all see, it's raining outside, bruh. Get dangerous when it's wet outside, you hear me? You already know what time it is. I don't know where we going though. We following this nigga. Y'all see that yellow light just pop up on the dash? If you know, you know. You feel me? Damn, bro. Damn, that bitch loud as fuck, my nigga. That shit sound good as hell, though. Not gonna cap. Don't y'all just love sliding with the bros? Oh, this shit close. I didn't even know this shit was right here. Alright, y'all boy, at the goddamn muffler shop, you feel me? Scat. This nigga finna get his shit cut, though. This nigga done slid like 3 times.
It's dangerous, bro. I ain't sliding that much. It's dangerous, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I slid by Chris crib. I slid that bitch, but every other corner had on.
Are you talking about when we got the parking lot?
Yeah, you tripping, bro.
I wasn't on it too.
Buddy.
Nah, it should be fun in the rain, though. But let's just go to Mighty, bro.
Yeah, let's go to Mighty.
See, we got them bitches out, no cap. Alright, y'all, so the first muffler shop was a fail, bro. They was charging too much. I think they said $225 just for a mid muffler delete. I think that's what he said, bro. I don't fucking remember. But yeah. So we finna go to Mighty Muffler. That's where I got my shit from. That's where I told him to get his shit done at first. But I mean, we just tried this one, I guess. But they charged him, they telling him $200. I don't think my resonators was $200. I really just don't believe that. But I mean, he's not getting resonators though. Then you know they gonna upcharge a nigga when they got a nice car, especially a fucking Hellcat. Like, but I mean, niggas having, so we gonna drop that shit regardless. He just wanted to get the better price. But you can really negotiate with them muffler shop niggas, cause them niggas don't really be giving a fuck for real. Like, they'll just fuck with you just cause they getting cash or however the fuck they doing that shit. Finna get y'all the before sound of the cat before we don't talk. Let that bitch talk right quick, twin. I peeped this in for a comp. This bitch dumb hard. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, this M4 go crazy. Carbon buckets, blue seats.
Everything well, and you could have.
Now he finna put the cat up on a rack, no cap. Big boy, a cat going up on a rack. Hell is you doing? Cat finna go up next to the M4. You know the M4 leaving that cat. I ain't gonna lie to you though. Wait, what do y'all got done to y'all shit?
I got the reds and the mids cut off.
Ones? You said the red?
The resonators and the mids. Or the resonators and the mids, yeah.
P, what you got?
Resonators and mufflers.
So that's different from what he got?
What do you got?
He said resonators and mids.
Mufflers and the resonators. The ones in the middle and the ones in the back.
Oh, we got 2?
M4 next to the cat. Oh my god, what a sight. Look at him. Look. What is he chatting about? What is he chatting? He's chatting. Give me them keys, boy. What you talking about, nigga? Let's take the scat, bro. We finna take the scat.
Take the scat. The scat keys.
Start it up. Start it up.
This don't work.
What the? Bro,
They got a striker.
y'all know scat. Damn.
It's on lock.
Oh shit. Free scat?
What's your key?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Y'all, we almost had it. What the fuck? Oh God, what the fuck? Damn, y'all, look at the bottom of the kit.
After we do this, you're going to want to come back and do the muffler. You said what? After we do this, I'll see you next week to do the muffler. That ain't going to be enough for you. I ain't gonna lie.
Cause you may as well just cut all of them off. Tell them to cut the cats off too. He's getting to work on the cat right now. Gonna goddamn hear that bitch barking. Oh yeah. That boy stop playing. Yo, I'm geeking.
Sounds better under load, just like every car.
He said he finna come this way. He said he finna come this way. Oh wait, no, I thought that's what he said. You gotta hit that bitch.
I say y'all risky for the biscuit, bro.
But I feel like if you take it to the right person, it could work though.
You gotta find the right person.
You gotta drop that bread though. You gotta drop that bread though.
But guess what? It's gonna be fast though.
That bitch is gonna be fast. True.
It's gonna last a minute.
But it's like, you know, like the more you do to your car, the more that bitch gonna start breaking down on your
I should have got the new one, so it's like 715. Huh? What year?
The new one is 717.
717. What? What year did they make the 717s?
I think it's like 21.
21, 22?
Yeah. I think it's 21.
No.
Cause that's when they came out with the You say you want a Charlie?
Might go Charlie. For that two-door shit. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, okay, I'll be different from y'all. I don't want to be. I don't want to do the same thing y'all boys do. I want to be a trendsetter. You know why? Y'all niggas gonna want challenges, not you.
Yeah, no, I can't get no no.
It's lighter. Y'all think about that?
Barely.
Still, you gonna get a wide body one too, aren't you? Exactly. Barely. Nah, I might get a slim body. I might tell my slim
You
body.
lie.
It's either wider or longer. One or two. It's wider.
Wider.
It's wider. Yeah, ours longer. It's wider.
Y'all, let me know, bro. Should I do a goddamn review on the Scat Pack or in a review on this Scat Pack? And maybe we could switch cars. You feel me? Cause I want to know what it's like to drive a Scat Pack every day. You feel me? This shit hard though. I love white cars. He should put a Hellcat head on this bitch. I'm finna actually go tell him right now. I'm finna see what that bitch talking about. Ooh, bitch barking.
I'm really about to get your pickle chin now, boy.
Yeah, that bit loud. Y'all, that bit going back up for what? I don't know. But y'all just heard that bit. That shit going crazy. How does it feel to have the loudest Hellcat?
Great, man.
That bit sound crazy, man. Alright, y'all, just got the mufflers cut off this bitch. We in this motherfucker. Finna get out. See how it sound in the car. Y'all, it's raining, so we can't do too much. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely tell. Nigga, I hear all supercharger. Shit down. Yeah.
Yo, this bit is loud, bro. Oh, you ain't turn it. Hold on, we finna.
That bitch sound good, twin.
Oh, me.
You said that bit on point, man. Big boy.
Oh, we can.
That's it for this video. Shout out to them boys. Oh, them boys, Mighty Muffler, you feel me? They always get us right, no cap. But we finna end this bitch, no cap.